All right, y'all, check this out. I went and bought a dehumidifier from Academy to put in my safe to try to protect my valuables. This thing is supposed to be blue when it's brand new. I've never used it. I took it out the box, it's pink. It's supposed to turn pink when it's full of moisture. So I'm assuming while it was packaged that it actually sucked up a lot of moisture. Now, I'm not going to take it back because they say that all you have to do is put it in the oven and bake the moisture out. And the pellets are supposed to turn blue. It should take 3 to 4 hours at 300 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in this kitchen, we're going to bake it, and then we're going to put it in the gun safe and we're going to start a date and see how long it takes before it turns pink again. We got the stove prepped right now. Well, the oven is prepped at 300. It says to put this in there at 300 and bake it for about 3 to 4 hours. And these pellets right here that's pink, they're supposed to turn blue. Now, when I bought it, it was supposed to be blue, but it already has moisture in it. But it says this is a recharge kit that I'll never have to buy another one. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven now. And we're going to set this timer for 4 hours, but we're going to come back and check it every hour on the hour just to get a good look at the progress. You take one of these, you put it on the pan, and you just drop it in there. All right, there we go. We'll come back and check on it in an hour. All right, y'all, just a quick update. It's been in there about an hour and 4 minutes. We're going to just take a quick peek in here and see. Oh, you can already see it starting to turn blue. It's still a little bit in there of the pink, so we're going to let it go. We'll check it again in about an hour and see. It might not have to take the whole 4 hours. All right, y'all, we're 2 hours in. It's blue. It's getting there. It's not hot there. I'm gonna leave it in there for the last 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and do the full 4, and then we'll check it out from there. All right, guys, I finally got it out the oven. It ended up taking probably about 4.5 hours. And there we go. Get you a little close up. You can see the pellets are blue now. Unfortunately, I can't put it in the safe yet, so I got to let it cool off, and we'll come back and put it in the safe tomorrow, and we'll mark the date, and we'll move on from there. All right, guys, I told you we was going to let it cool off, and we will come back at a later date and put it back in the gun safe. Well, just to let you know, today is February the 24th of 2026. If you can see, that's the color right there. It's blue. And it's called Snap Safe. And this is what you put in your safe to keep the humidity out. This protects all your personal belongings and stuff. Light everything up so you can see what's in there. I'm going to set this right here. Let you come in for a close-up so you can actually see where it's at. Yeah, just got it sitting on the safe right there. Like I said, this is for your gun safe or any type of personal safe, and anywhere in your house that you're trying to actually keep humidity out of. It covers 57 cubic feet. This is not a 57 cubic feet gun safe. It's actually smaller, so I should be good. We're going to go ahead and run a 30-day test. In 30 days, we're going to come back. We're going to see how much the pellets have changed color or if it's all the way completely plain. Hopefully, I don't have to recharge it every 30 days, but if I do, hey, I only paid $20, so that's better than going and buying a new one every 30 days, so I'm cool with that. But until then, just come back, follow up with me. We'll go 30 days, we'll go 60 days, we'll go 90. We're just going to keep following it until it turns completely pink, and then we'll recharge it again, and we'll just go from there.